Hello teacher and partner, my name is Vanessa Tapia. The object that I choose was a laptop because I consider that it is a useful object in which help me to develop different kind of activity. For example, if I want to use an Word Office, a PowerPoint or Excel for doing my homework. So for me it's so useful. Also, the laptop can save information. In that case, for my work, I save a lot of information for my work. Another tools, if I can say that is interesting for me is that at the same times that you are doing some different activities, you can surf in the internet or look at YouTube or your social networks like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. So for that reasons, I consider that a laptop is a useful object in which you can do whatever you want in the times that you need it and something like that. So for that reasons, I think that having a laptop is very important. So thank you. That was the object that I choose. Bye bye.